If your Facebook suddenly speaks a foreign language, you've been hacked. Let's fix that. Hey everyone! If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tricks. And check the description to chat with a professional hacker for expert advice. Alright, let's dive in. Step 1. Check your login history. Head over to Facebook, tap on the 3 lines, scroll down to Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Find Security and Login. Here you can see where you're logged in. If you spot any unfamiliar devices or locations, that's a red flag. Step 2. Review recent activity. Scroll through your timeline and check for posts, messages, or actions you don't remember. If there's something fishy, you might be compromised. Step 3. Update your password. Go to Settings, then Security and Login. Tap on Change Password. Choose a strong password that's hard to guess. A mix of letters, numbers, and symbols works best. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. This adds an extra layer of security. You'll find this option under Security and Login too. Follow the prompts to set it up. Step 5. Check for unfamiliar apps. Go to Settings, then Apps and Websites. Remove any apps you don't recognize, and that's it. If you suspect any unusual activity, report it to Facebook immediately. Stay safe and secure online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the description below. See you next time.